If you're also planning to buy a product from Nike website or from official Nike, then you must be aware of the best coupon codes or discount promo codes available. To get available discount codes, we will simply have to go to the browser and search for the coupon codes for Nike and open the Tom's Guide website here. In this website, you will see that get 15% discount. The second is get 10% on off on everything. Next code is about Nike women's leggings. You can get 20% off in this. So these are some of the best promo codes, that is discount code, available on this website. To get the code, you have to click on copy the code here, and then you can simply apply it on the checkout payment page of your Nike online store. So this is all about how you can find some codes. This is just on your browser. You have to look out for a good and reputed website and only click on the trusted website as seen in this video. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.